Hey there, Shinky here, making AI simple, useful, and powerful for you. Today, we're diving into some electrifying tech updates. First up, Chinese startup DeepSeek is shaking things up with their new open source model, R10528. It's taking on the big players like OpenAI's O3 and Gemini 2.5 Pro, but without the paywall. Developers are loving it for its breakthroughs in reasoning, coding, and math, plus real-world usability with JSON support and fewer hallucinations. Now, let's talk about Perplexity Labs, which is turning AI into your personal analyst. Their new feature, Labs, goes beyond simple answers to deliver deep, structured business insights. Imagine generating dashboards, spreadsheets, and even interactive apps just from natural language prompts. It's like ChatGPT meets Excel meets Notion, designed for operators, founders, and analysts. With competitors like ChatGPT's Code Interpreter and Google's Gemini apps, we're entering the AI-powered office suite wars, and the prize is the future of productivity. Next, if you're into game assets or digital art, Leonardo AI is your new best friend. Just visit Leonardo AI, create a free account, and start generating 3D models, textures, or fantasy art with simple text prompts. Adjust your settings, click Generate, and voila! Your masterpiece is ready. For those looking to boost productivity, check out these 5 tools. Shopify Magic for instant product descriptions, Tactic for auto-capturing meeting transcripts, Tally for smart AI-powered forms, Whisper by OpenAI for accurate speech-to-text transcription, and My Mind for organizing your digital life. In other news, Google's Gemini can now watch your videos in Drive and summarize them, making it a true productivity powerhouse. And Google's VO3 is creating eerily realistic 8-second clips, blurring the line between real and AI content. Finally, Snowflake is tackling 2 major enterprise AI pain points with Arctic Text 2SQL R1 and Arctic Inference. These tools generate clean, accurate SQL and optimize AI responsiveness and throughput, reducing infrastructure complexity and unlocking productivity at scale. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. Until tomorrow, this is Shinky and the Hanuman AI team keeping you ahead in the AI game.